everyone, this is Anita White, and yes, we are back with you with Love Your Art and another video. Guys, we have a canvas that has already been painted over completely, and I'm going to redo it because I really didn't like it, even though it dried beautifully. I just wanted to do something different, so we're going to paint over it, and that gives you a chance to see how you can repurpose your canvases when you find that you maybe just didn't like it after all. So this is a 12 by 24 inch canvas. I have some Artist Loft Floetrol black. It's going to be used as our base to help cover this up, and then we will introduce our colors for this particular painting. Okay, so we're going to see where this takes us by rolling it over. Alrighty, here we go. We've got our base color laid down. We're just going to wipe around and make sure all of our sides and corners are covered. And then we will begin. We'll let the fun begin. Okay, we're taking this, just making sure every little corner is well covered. All right, so with that, we have our torch, and we're going to pop air bubbles now. Quite a few air bubbles. Sometimes they're a little stubborn and you have to go over them more than once, but you want to get them out as much as possible so that they don't interfere with the overall outcome of your design. And as you're doing so, keep in mind you want to look for any foreign debris that could have found its way into your canvas and cause for anything less than a flawless foundation. All right, we're looking really good here. Again, this is a 12 by 24 inch canvas, black foundation, and I'm actually going to be calling this the black and blues, my black and blues, because I'm going to be using only blues on top of this black. And what we have today to assist us is the Artist Loft. This is brilliant blue, but it's mixed with titanium white, and it also has, of course, Floetrol and water. So I'm going to just try and pour some of this out and create a foundational design using this brilliant blue. Now, brilliant blue by Artist Loft is typically very dark or darker blue, but because we mixed it with white, the titanium white by Blickrylic, it's just a baby blue right now, and that's what we want. Then we have the Grumbacher Academy Prussian blue, which is very dark. And we're going to layer that right on top. And as I said, this is my black and blue painting, because everything on here will be black and blue. Artist Loft Turquoise, right on top of that Prussian blue. So, so pretty. And then we have the Artist Loft Metallic Blue. So we may have some cells, guys. Metallics tend to give us cells, which cells can be beautiful. Now, that's a lot of color, but I forgot to do my breakouts. Didn't remember that. So my extensions are going to be needing to be put in. And we're going to do, let's see, why don't we take one right over this hump? This way. Don't want to really do that much paint, but, and we'll do this one. Coming down here and pulling it over here. I don't want this much paint on here, so I'm going to scrape that off. And I'll put some more black in there. That's what squeeze bottles really do help when it comes down to being able to be a little bit more precise with the use of your paint. Let's cut this off. And we'll take this right on over. Cover that up. All right, that'll be all right. And we have some more blue. I'll pull that in. I actually think that, yeah, I'm thinking that I'm going to pull this right on over. And we'll put some blue on it. All right. And we'll do this side too, why not? Okay. We'll put that aside. And then we have the turquoise. Right there. And we have to go out here also. And of course our metallic blue. Love metallic blue. Sorry about the phone. Probably is a telemarketer anyway.
Call from Phoenix AD.
So we will continue on with our torching. Popping those air bubbles anywhere we see them. Layering colors and all over. And let's see where we're going to go with this amazingly different design. All right, ready? Let's do it. beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. I am amazed at where we have the merging of the colors coming together, but also we've got some powerful statements throughout of the black really coming up and just kind of speaking out here with cells and here and here. It's just kind of a blush like of a shadow of it. So super pretty. Taking the palette, little makeup stick here and wiping all of our edges so we can help bring this to rest. But that is a beautiful black and blue Dutch pour all the way around. I think I'm going to blow this just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit to see what happens. There may be a little more paint here. Yeah, that really, yes, that pulled that piece out and it made it speak out very clear. All right. Wow. Well, we're going to torch just a little bit here. We have some air bubbles in. I am just in awe over this. How pretty. We've got cells in here, not too heavy, but we've just got a lot of rich color, and that metallic blue is just glistening. Oh my heavens. Okay, I guess it's time for a close-up. We'll bring you in, guys. Okay, here we are, my friends. We are here with the close-up results of the black and blue Dutch pour. Isn't this amazing? Oh my heavens. Look at that cluster of beautiful cells created by that metallic blue. And it's just really clearly covering lots of area here. Clusters of cells that are so unbelievably spectacular. Ah, love it. Just loving it. Again, there's that black with the lacing it's creating. All throughout it has hints of the black with the lacing that it has created with just the colors coming through and being pushed over. Again, looking at that rich metallic blue on top, creating lots of cells and lacing, along with the Prussian blue and the turquoise. Also, we don't want to forget that brilliant blue. That's what you see here in terms of the lighter blue. So we have the brilliant blue, turquoise blue, metallic blue, and Prussian blue, all making this beautiful black and blue design possible. Hope you like it. Let me know what you think. I think it came out amazing. And here's what you can do with blues on black. Again, this is a 12 by 24 inch Dutch pour, our cover canvas with a Dutch pour, and it is amazing. I'm loving it. Look at how rich those beautiful cells are. You can see how well they formed all throughout. So pretty. Let me know what you think in the comments. Again, like and subscribe so you can be notified. Hit that notification bell and we'll make you aware each and every time we have our weekly video upload. Until next time, keep loving your art. Have a great day, stay safe, and we will see you all back here on our next video upload. Bye now.